The Teachers Workshop is an opportunity to share our expertise, to answer questions that teachers might have from people who are working in the field, who understand it on a day-to-day basis, and to provide materials and lesson plans that a teacher can take directly into his or her classroom and use it tomorrow.
I enjoy the hands-on part of these classes, and there's so much of that with all the classes here, because then I can bring it back to the kids. And I tell the kids, listen, everything we have is minerals. So we want to learn how they work, how they function. Your telephone, the television set, all the technology, all these things are driven by minerals and mineralogy. And so I want my students to get a clear grasp of that so that they can make their mind up later. Maybe this is the career for me.
Once. 25 grand. Look at that.
I do the rocks and minerals class. I also do an underground mining technique class. And it shows the importance in the techniques of what we do today compared to what we did in history, and the different methods for ground support and how underground mines are developed and why we do underground mines.
Oh, look at this. Look at this.
Nice. Do we leave the last one at home?
Uh-oh. We have to leave some behind. The hands-on working with Play-Doh was, of course, fun. And I can see that translating to kids in the classroom.
Let's get that done.
You have to take this PDE or this workshop because it's not just a credit. You're going to get a lot out of it. It's fun and something you can bring back to your kids in the classroom.
It's not going to make that much of a difference.
It's absolutely important to bring earth sciences back into the classrooms because so much of our daily lives revolve around what we have available in our planet and our earth. And it's so important to understand everything that's going on and understand the rocks and the minerals. And geology, I think, is sometimes kind of doubted upon as this not very glamorous science, but if you really think about it, rocks are the building blocks of the earth, and it's very important to understand that. And I think it's really good to get the students involved at an early age.
The rock goes through erosion, the weather.
The staff here that was provided by the Nevada Division of Minerals and the Nevada Mining Association, real professional, real knowledgeable, interactive. I got to say, I was a little hesitant about coming, but it changed my whole attitude about what I encountered. It was just a great opportunity.
Oh, you'll have to twist it.
Beyond just the classrooms, that they get to take all these hands-on lessons, they actually get to go to an operating mine. It's so cool. They'll be there, they'll be able to see that equipment moving, ask any questions that they'd like, and just experience it firsthand.
At a rate of about 3 feet per hour on the downcut.
This was one of the nicest professional developments that I've been able to do this year. It was great food and all the classes yesterday were amazing. I learned a lot.
My daughter's a teacher, and teachers are good, and everybody's had a teacher in their life that's meant something to them. I've had teachers that are responsible for where I am today, and I think it's good to further the information from our company. Who better to give it to than the teachers who are exposed to children and parents, and they talk about it. It's good exposure.
The interior is going to last 20 years.